The handle fork and latch assembly both attaches the handle to your vacuum and allows the handle to pivot. After years of use, the fork can be cracked and the latch can wear out. Replacing the handle fork and latch assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the screw that secures the handle to the handle fork. Now remove the bolt that secures the handle fork to the motor. Now I can install the new handle fork and latch assembly. I'll align it with the motor and reinsert the bolt. I'll secure the bolt with the nut. This is a lock nut, so be sure you don't tighten it too much or the handle won't pivot freely. A little too tight, I'll loosen up just a bit. And that should work great. Now I can insert the handle into the new handle fork and secure it with the fasteners. And now you can install a new handle fork and latch assembly on your vacuum. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.